channel Learn with Soundarya. Today I am going to do the third questions, and I am not putting the questions on the board. And please do take out your textbooks and just read the question. See, to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground A, B, C, D. So in your textbook there is, you can see A, B, C, D, a ground. Okay, lines have been drawn, okay, with the chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. At a distance, each distance is 1 meter. Like the first line to second line, the distance is 1 meter. Second line to third line, the distance is 1 meter. Okay, next, 8 and 100 flower pots have been placed at distance of 1 meter from each along the AD. So 100 flower pots has been placed, okay, of distance 1 meter. And next what happens is, now Niharika, she will run 1/4 the distance A to D. Okay, she will run 1/4 the distance A to D on the second line. She will run it on second line. Next, and she will post a green flag over there. And Preet, she will run 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line, and he will post a red flag. Okay, there is green flag and red flag. And what is the distance between both the flags? Okay, that is what we need to find out, the distance between both the flags. And if exactly somewhere Rashmi has come in between, Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly half a way between the line segment joining the two flags, and where should she has to post her flag. Okay, we have read the questions. Now we'll solve the problems. Okay, come to the, see, from the given figure, or you can position, if there is a ground A, B, C, D, correct now, and the portion of the green flag posted by Niharika, let us take it as M. Okay, the position of the green flag, okay, the position of the green flag posted by Niharika is taken as M. So that is in second line. The distance is how much? So that is 1 meter, right? So 2 into 1, 2. And there is how many, the flower pots is there? 100 flower pots is there. So therefore 1/4 the 100 she will run, correct now? So therefore it is 25. Same way, the red flag which is posted by Preet is N, I'm going to take. So that is 8 into 1, because she is running in the 8th line. So therefore it is of distance 1 meter. So it is 8 into 1, and 1/5 she will run of 100 flower pots. Therefore it is 8 into 20. Okay, 8, 20. Now the distance between the green flag and the red flag, what is the distance between both the flags they are asking. Therefore MN, the distance MN we need to find out. So therefore, using the distance formula, very easy, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. You have to use it and find out. So that is 8 minus 2 is nothing but 6 the whole square, and 20 minus 25 is nothing but minus 5 the whole square. 6 square plus 5 square is 36 plus 25 is root 61. That is the distance. And between M and N, okay, here is M and here is the N. So between M and N, Rashmi will place half a way, okay, but in between half a way, that will take it as P, point P, and she will place her flag. Okay, she will place her flag. Where she has to place? She has to place that this point we need to find out. Very simple, we know M and N, we need to find out the coordinates of point P. Okay, so it's very simple. We don't want ratios because it is half a way. Now we can use the midpoint formula. We can use what formula? We can use midpoint formula. Remember this. Okay, that is midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So therefore it is 2 plus 8 divided by 2. 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 divided by 2 is how much? 5. Same way 20 plus 25 divided by 2, that time you are going to get 22.5. So that means she is running, she has placed in which line? 5th line, the Rashmi has placed her blue flag is on the 5th line at a distance of how much? The above distance, that is 22.5. Okay, 22.5 meter above it. So this question is very simple, and understand the problem. So take out your textbook out and read the questions, then solve the problem.